Hey guys, this is another Honda Accord 2015/2016 model. I just serviced this car and reset the oil life. Right now I'm going to show you how to reset oil lights on your dashboard after service. First of all, you'll see this button that I'm pressing right here, this button here. You press it down on trip A, you press again and enter trip B. You press it down to switch everything to 0. Then you keep pressing until this is trip B. I've already cleared the trip B and I've reset the oil light, but I just want to show it to you to know how to reset oil life on Honda Accord. You press the button here, you press this button until you get to oil life. Once you get to oil life, you press the button and hold it down. You hold it down for about 10 seconds until it started blinking. Once it starts blinking, let's just hold on. Okay, now that you started blinking, so you release your hand and press again. Press and hold it down. Then it will reset. Now it is complete. But I've already done this. I just want to show it to you how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and share to others so that they can also do the same on their car. Thank you.